Hello everyone, I'm Denisha Marwa. In this occasion, I would like to present my article under title Comparing Formal and Informal Talk Between Male and Female English Teacher in Classroom Interaction. So let's come to the first introduction. The teacher has a role to engage the students in the classroom interaction. The teacher uses several talk, including formal and informal talk interaction, to maintain the attention of the students. According to Ecker, stated that male and female English teachers show different verbal behavior that is expressed in classroom interaction. The different verbal behavior can be the language used that teacher produce in the classroom or feedback in teaching and learning process in the classroom. The male teacher is quiet talking and using language whether teaching and learning or process or feedback. However, female teachers tend to use more utterances to engage the students rather than a male teacher. This is based on the Andini et al. Next, according to Agent, stated that the characteristic of formal and informal talk see the differences between formal and informal talk in word, phrase, or sentence. This table shows that the characteristics of formal and informal talk. First, we can see that formal talk, there are several characteristics. The first one is natural axis and then formal axis. Next, politeness via phenomena and then careful tone taking. Then title, no first name, and increment choice, and then model for difference. And the last one is model for suggestion. And then the next one is informal talk. There are several characteristics. The first one, attitudinal axis, and then colloquial axis, and then swearing, then interruption overlap, and then first name, nicknames, diminutive, and then typical word choice, model to express probability, and then model to express an opinion. Next, we come to the method. This research is descriptive research that finds out the informal and formal talk between male and female English teachers. It helps the teacher to summarize the tendency that provides understanding and insight in comparing formal and informal talk between male and female English teacher in classroom interaction. The participants of this research were male and female English teachers at Elia English course. The class that was researched was the same level, which was the intermediate level or intermediate class. The researcher has conducted this research by using an observation sheet and then audio recording that the researcher came to the class for 2 meetings each of the teacher. Therefore, the total of meeting was 4 meetings. Then we come to finding and discussion. This table shows that the percentage of formal and informal talk characteristic. You can see that the formal talk, male teacher produce more than female teacher. And then about the careful to taking, the male teacher is higher than female English teacher. However, increment choice, the female English teacher is dominant to produce increment choice. And then about the model suggestion, the male teacher use suggestion, but female teacher didn't use it. So of course, in terms of formal talk, the teacher only produce male English teacher produce full form, character taking, increment choice, and model suggestion. But female English teacher only produce 3 characteristics. They are full form, careful turn taking, increment choice. And then in terms of informal talk, the male teacher use various characteristics. It can be see attitudinal axis, colloquial axis, interruption, a nickname, typical mood choice, and model for opinion. But female English teacher only use 4 characteristics. They are attitudinal axis, nickname, typical mood choice, and model for suggestion. So of course, male teacher tend to use informal talk in classroom interaction. Okay, we can see that in this table too, it is mentioned that male English teacher is higher percentage for formal talk. So of course, different for female teacher. The female teacher only produce 3 characteristics, and then In terms of informal talk, male teacher use various characteristics which is stick to a characteristic. So of course, this the higher characteristic that a teacher produced was nickname. So which is 58.5%. So of course, these male teachers tend to use informal talk. And then we come to the conclusion. This study has shown that comparing formal and informal talk between male and female English teachers in English course, especially in intermediate class at early English course, the male teachers show four characteristics for the formal talk. However, the female English teacher only performed three characteristics. In terms of informal talk, the male teacher show various talk, which is six characteristic, and then on the other hand, the female English teacher only show four characteristic for informal talk. So of course, the male teacher was dominant, produce formal talk and informal talk in classroom interaction. So I think enough for my presentation. Last I say, thank you so much. Have a nice day.